Hey guys, it's Mr. Blais. Today I'm going to show you a really quick photo text tutorial using Adobe Express and the photos that we took the other day in class. First thing you're going to do is going to click the link. This link I'm posting here will be in the description of the video as well as posted on Google Classroom. And our school does have an Adobe account, so we're going to log in with our school account. So click sign in. Continue with Google. Use your school account. Photo in the middle. Then you're going to select start from your photo, the photo you took the other day in class. And I'm going to go over to my downloads where my photo will be that I just uploaded. Here it is. Then you select create new. This is my pup Stella, golden doodle. And you can choose a different option here. I might just keep it the original aspect ratio, make it easier. That way it'll fill the whole frame. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the background. So I select the photo, and then we're going to select, first thing you're going to do is going to select the photo, and then I'm going to select remove background. And it's pretty smart. You'll see a little spiral, and then the background was removed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the same picture back in that I just added. And now you'll see in the right hand side you have two layers. What I want to do is, you see this layer of the dog that I just added, since it's most recent, is on top. So I'm going to select the layer below, which is with the background removed. I'm going to slide that on top. Then what we're going to do is you're going to select the text tool, select add text, and I want you to choose a font that's kind of thick. This is a very thin basic font. So I'm going to select the drop down menu underneath where it says Source Sans 3, and you'll see there's a lot of options here. There's some thick ones here. You can choose which ones you like, but definitely try not to choose a thin one. I'm going to add this here, the Cooper standard. Alright, and now I'm going to pick a word that best describes this photo. For you, it'll be a word or words, that best describes the photo that you took of the person. So I'm going to put sweet because that's my dog. And I'm going to take this text and I'm going to make it significantly bigger. I'm going to hide it right around here. You could choose where you'd like to have it. Make sure you can see some of the word, and we're going to sandwich the word between the two layers. So again, the layers here, think of the cake and the frosting, right? Right now, the word sweet is the frosting and the dog is the cake. So we're going to sandwich it in between the layers here, the text. We're going to take the text and we're going to put the text below the photo with the background cut out. Now you can see the text right here. If you select it, then it's highlighted. Now you notice sometimes you may accidentally select the wrong thing. So just carefully click off and then select the word. Sometimes this happens. And now once you select the word, I'm going to have it kind of peeking behind my dog, enough so you can see it. You don't want to be down here because you can't see the whole word. You don't want to be way up here because you can see the whole thing. You want to give the illusion that it's partially cut off because it's being sandwiched between the two layers here. The layer with the background removed and the layer with the background there. The last thing you're going to do now, once you have the text placed where you want it, you have it sized correctly, is you're going to come over where it says fill, and you're going to play around with the text. we're going to add a little bit of color here. And I'm going to choose a neat color. And it looks like the text, See how the text will pop, look like when you're adjusting it, will pop out on the top of the layers, but you notice when you click off the text, it will hide behind it again. So I kind of like this color here, maybe something like that. Pick a color that stands out. Again, you want to have some of the text hidden, and that is pretty much it. Once you are done with the text, then what I want you to do is select download, and PNG is fine, and then you're going to upload that file to Google Classroom, and that's how you make a photo text project. Sorry, that is my dog in the background. Thanks for watching, guys. Have fun. Can't wait to see what you guys create.